Well, good morning. Indian train coach codes. Indian train coach codes. Indian Railway coach codes identify the type of accommodation and utility on a train. Common passenger codes includes 1A oblique H यानी फर्स्ट AC, 2A oblique A यानी AC सेकेंड टायर, 3A oblique B यानी AC थ्री टायर, SL oblique S यानी स्लीपर, and GS oblique GN means general unreserved. You can track live train running positions and coach layouts via apps like Where is my train or the NTES train inquiry system. ऐसी पैसेंजर्स कोचेज जो होते हैं, एसी पैसेंजर कोचेज, उनकी कोडिंग इस तरीके से होती है: H1A AC फर्स्ट क्लास लग्जरी केबिन्स एंड कपल्स विद लॉकेबल डोर्स. A/2A means AC two tier, 2 berths per way, curtained privacy. B/3A AC three tier, 3 berths per way, air conditioned. 3E AC three tier economy, slightly denser berth configuration that standard 3A than standard 3A. HA means composite first AC and AC two tier in a single coach. CC AC chair car, seated accommodation for day trains. EC executive chair car, premium 2x2 seating found on Shatabdi or Vande Bharat trains. Non-AC passenger coaches: SL/S sleeper class, non-AC three tier berths labeled as S1, S2, etc. 2S second sitting bench style, unreserved or reserved second class seating. GS and GN general unreserved second class seating, first come first served. Utility and technical coaches: PC pantry car, mobile kitchen for food preparations. SLR seating cum luggage rack, guard cabin, luggage space and disabled friendly section. EOG/LWLRRM end on generator. EOG is end on generator and power car supplying electricity to the train's AC system. VP or VPH vestibule, high capacity for parcel, van for mail and cargo. So this is the coding system which is normally used by the Indian Railway, and you will find on the coaches S1 or S112 means sleeper coach, non-AC, most affordable for long distance travels. Then B1 to B4, third AC, AC three tier and air conditioned three tier sleepers. A1 and A2 second AC, AC two tier, fewer berths, more privacy. H1 composite coach, half 1A plus 2A, shared AC1 and AC2 in one coach. D1, D5 second sitting non-AC, cheapest non-sleeper reserved seat. Then GS general coach unreserved, first come first serve seating. Then SLR seating cum luggage rack, guard coach with parcel storage. And EOG end on generator, power supply coach in Rajdhani or Shatabdi. Thank you.